She capping a lot. I'll be sure. Yeah. She changed her name because she more. She don't look the same anymore. Do not do that. That didn't even scare me. That's hurt my fucking ears. I'd rather a gun go off in this bitch than that shit. Fucking scared of.
Oh my god.
Dying, God. Damn, boy.
Ah, damn. It was funny that she posted though, because she act ratchet as hell now. She used to be such a nice little girl.
So the most problem is people let their bikes sit. They don't use them.
Oh, I would break it on purpose just to see it replace it. I would do that too.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna go get the fucking...
Straight frame.
Where's that fuck?
There we go. There we go.
There you go, my boy.
Old man.
And you just take them zip ties off.
Pissed off 'cause they don't want it.
And you good. The zip tie method works.
Huh? What's up?
Easter bikes?
The what?
I don't know what they're called now, but it used to be called Easter bike. Some stupid ass name.
They have a skate park in Interlochen?
Yeah, it was. They didn't have one for a long ass time, and then
This is not.
There it is.
Pop them hoes off of there. You don't need weights anyway.
Did you put the fucking valve stem in there? God damn it.
it's not working on a bike if you don't fuck up at least one time, alright?
This is like the third time already.
At least you're not forgetting a head gasket on something. You know what I mean?
I would chill out.
Why?
It's gotta pop on eventually.
Yeah, but it's probably... bro, that fucking...